what's up? Look at this view, amazing, beautiful, breathtaking. Anyway, so today we're in Guangxi at the border between Vietnam and China. So behind me is Vietnam, on this side is China. And the waterfall you see behind me, let me show you, this is the largest waterfall in Asia, apparently. So yeah, follow me, I'm gonna show you more. Peace.